Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Silverado, this generation here that you see from year 2014 produced to year 2019. If you need to find where the fuses for the Stabilitrak system are located, which fuses control it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, where you can find the fuse specifically, okay, for Stabilitrak system on that generation Chevy Silverado, you will need to check up to 3 different fuses. They practically control the ABS module, traction control module, that's the Stabilitrak system. Now, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people don't know they even exist in that truck. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location Chevy Silverado. What you guys need to do, pop the hood open, and once you open the hood, on the driver's side you see you have that cover here. That's your main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box layout like this one for 2014 through 16 model, and a layout like that one for 2017 through 19. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing, if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So, guys, now the fuses that we need to check, please make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. These fuses are for the ABS module, also known as traction control module, or Stabilitrak system, guys. Okay, all these fuses will need to be checked. First, we'll demonstrate on 2014 through 16. We're going to zoom into that upper section here, and the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 3, guys. Okay, you wonder where fuse number 3 is. We're talking about that fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 19, and fuse number 19 will be that fuse right here, and then you need to check fuse number 25 right underneath it. If you have 2017 through 19 model, guys, let's zoom in again. We're talking about fuse number 3, 19 and 25. They will be exactly the same, okay, for both years. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.